Hello, everyone. This is Joanne from Coast to Coast with Joanne. If you have never lived through a rainy season here in Nicaragua, there is one thing that you learn very quickly. You do not wait until the rain starts to prepare, because once the rainy season starts here, it arrives hard. And if you ignored a small roof leak, a clogged gutter, an overgrown tree, or drainage issues during dry season, the rain is going to find it. So today I want to show you some of the things that homeowners do to prepare for the rainy season. Around this time of year, all over Nicaragua, you start to see people up on ladders repainting their metal roofs. The majority of the roofs here in Nicaragua are made from metal. And they paint this not just with normal paint, but a paint that's called Fastyl, Fastyl. And it is a very thick paint. It almost feels rubbery when you put it on. It is a thick roof coating that helps seal like tiny cracks or rust spots and small holes before the heavy rains arrive. Because during the rainy season, a tiny leak can suddenly become a very big problem. And honestly, it's much easier to prevent water damage now than it is to try to repair it in the middle of the rainy season. Another major thing that people do is they clean out, I think in America they call them gutters, but in Canada we call them eavesdrops. It's important to clean these out before the rains come. You do not want these backing up during rainy season. You want that water to flow off of your roofs nice and seamlessly. Also, in my property, I have these little canals, these drainage ditches, and I make sure that they are clear of leaves or rubbish so that the water drains directly to the road and I get it off my property. But I don't just stop there. I go out onto the road and I make sure that the canals that take the water away from the street, that they are clean as well. This makes it much easier because if the water backs up on the street, then we just end up with a muddy mess during rainy season. Trees and vegetation, they grow amazingly fast in the rainy season. So it is important to look at the trees and the vegetation on your property and cut them back at this time before the rain begins. For example, I have this palm tree right above my head. I get my gardener to cut off some of the palms because during the rainy season, it is going to bash into my roof, and it is also potentially going to damage some electrical wires or my fiber optic wire. So yeah, I do some preventative maintenance with that. My jocote tree, which I have spoken about in the past, it's very close to my pickleball court roof, and I trim that back as well so that it does not continually bash against the pickleball roof in the rainy season. Rain and wind, it'll take a beating from that jocote tree if I don't cut it back. Vines. I have a lot of beautiful vines around here, but now is the time to cut them back because if I don't, as beautiful as they are and as much as I love them, if I don't cut them back at this time of year, they will be completely out of control by November. So now is the time to cut things back and bring them into a more manageable size. And these are the types of things that a little bit of maintenance now will save you a much bigger headache later. These are the kinds of seasonal routines you will learn if you are a property owner here in Nicaragua. The rainy season here transforms the landscape. Everything turns green, everything comes to life, the hills come alive, the temperature cools down, but with all of that beauty also comes preparation and maintenance. And honestly, after living here for a while, you start to learn to respect the rain and to get ahead of it. So if you are living in Nicaragua, please tell me in the comments, what do you do to prepare for the rainy season? And if you're thinking about moving here someday, these are exactly the kinds of details that people don't always think of and ahead of time. So know that if you plan to be a property owner here, there is maintenance to do for every season that we have. There is different types of things that we have to prepare for the season. Thank you for watching, and if you learned anything from this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing.